Robinhood, ticker HOOD, is trending all over social media. Today, we're going to break down why and how you can profit from it.
You've seen The Last of Us.
Before we get into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and consider joining the Discord in the description if you want to get early notices on all of these trades. Let's talk about it. What's good in the hood? Well, number one, they have asymmetric upside from their pipeline to prediction market contracts that allow people to bet on basically everything from sports to the weather in Egypt next week. This is a massive edge over your traditional banking products and finance apps. Just having that pipeline to Kalshi is another revenue stream with very, very limited liability, as Kalshi assumes most of that liability. Number two, they benefit from the new pattern day trading rule that reduces the threshold from 25,000 to only 2,000 to avoid triggering the rule. This leads to more trading volume from retail, Hood's primary customers. Robinhood makes most of their money by selling their customers' order flow to market makers in something called payment for order flow. The more volume that they can sell to the markets and the more trading retail is doing, the more Robinhood stands to make. Number three, Robinhood is now offering more traditional banking products like checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and in doing so, they're further leveraging their existing customer base and strong app synergies. They are essentially creating a one-stop shop for equities, options, futures, crypto, checking, savings, credit, and even
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
they just reported their 2025 annual earnings, and they reported a 52% increase year over year in revenue. Wall Street seems to agree that this is likely to continue. We saw a barrage of price target increases hitting the news immediately. And I know what you're going to say. Okay, but I don't want to chase, right? I don't want to chase. It's already popped. Yeah, it's already popped. You want to buy winners. This thing's about to fucking break out. I think that this is going to continue for the foreseeable future. So I told you I was going to tell you how to make money, right? So what's the trade here? Well, today I entered common shares and $100 calls for July. And for a longer levered investment, I also entered a small amount of $120 calls for January 2027, as my personal price target is 120 or above. I really think that these guys have proven themselves by now that they can execute. Their pipelines are extremely valuable, and I think you're a fool to bet against them. All right, everybody, good luck, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.